Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Nobody is here today. Hey, this is lunchtime, I believe. I just came at the right time. Nobody's here. Let's fly some FPV. But before that, let me grab my Emax TinyHawk, because that's what we're gonna review today. Alright, right here. I do have my Mobula 7, Rabbit GTR239 and R349. I love this bag, man. And check out my battery collection for FPV whoops. Do watch the video description, look at the video description for the links to all these products, and also of course the link to new chargers I just introduced in my videos. Don't forget to watch those videos, and don't forget to watch this awesome electric street little monster bike videos. Anyway, you have too much to watch from me. Let's fly the TinyHawk. Okay, I'll take my goggles out later. First off, let's
Welcome back, AliShanMao.
thank you. Welcome back.
To fly RC. Remember to fly hard and crash harder.
Have
fun.
Sure, we're going to have fun. TinyHawk, and here is my TinyHawk. So, first thing first. One moment. How many cameras I have, man? Just sit down and enjoy our line of sight flight. I was under the impression that Emax TinyHawk is basically 2S. Well, it's not 2S. It's actually 4.35 volts, 450 milliamp battery, 1S. So if I want to compare the performance of this with the Mobula 7, that will be unfair, because Mobula 7 is actually using 2S batteries. But on 1S, this one seems to be flying really nice. Check this out. It did not have much punch. I had to use a lot of throttle to get it up in the air. So I went ahead and I set my favorite throttle curve. And now it is sweet. Look how nice it's flying, man. I can actually do some obstacle, like going through my bike this open area while doing FPV, going under my bike. Let's try the Acro mode. Whoa, it's getting fast now. Nice. Flips are nice. I'm just worried that if battery moves a little, it's just gonna, disconnect and leave the quad somewhere. And I didn't even install the VFly Finder 2 on this one. I think I can't install VFly Finder 2, but hey, excuse me, I caught some cough lately. I have water in my fuel tank there, bike fuel tank. But hey, it's flying really nice. I mean, I'm simply loving it. The way it flies, the performance, the behavior, it's basically nice. Let me see the punch, so I can probably see if I can scale this tower at my back or not. Okay, that was nice. Let's try some Acro mode. Yeah, I think the power is more than enough to do what we want to do. So, let's not waste more time. Actually, I'm having fun. I'm not wasting time. I'm having fun flying it around. Let's stop flying line of sight and do some FPV, baby. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right?